In this video, I'll show you how to use Alligator Indicator in expert option. In order to do this, just head over right here into your expert option. It can be your phone or it can be the web platform. From in there, you can see in here this indicator button. So this is actually the third button under the menu. Head over and click on it, and then you can just see in here the available indicators. So on the top of the list, we have in here the alligator. So it's actually the transmuting mechanism that actually serves as an indicator. You can click on it and then input right here the jaws, which is the period, shift, and choosing here the color for that. Input as well the teeth, as well as the lips right here. So alligator indicator is used to identify the trend and its direction. It consists of three moving averages, which help to filter market range periods and determine the beginning of a new trend. Head over and click on confirm, and it should be able to be added right here as you can see right now.